Wake up to a Sunday sky, the church bell calls my name. A shadow whispers softly, tries to crown my heart with shame. Stay in dreamland, rest a while, you're dressed in weary thread. But morning light of mercy whispers, rise, lift up your head. Oh, soul, lift your voice to the one who made you whole, the mercy giver, the bride from which all blessings unfold. Though fear may whisper, you'll stumble, and doubt may block your way. The prayer inside you heals the night and brings a brighter day. Of courage, of a rhythm in the praise. Go to the house of sanctuary where mercy sings and stays. Remember when you were a child, when healing seemed so near. No doctor's hand could save you, but prayer carried you here. Oh, so stumble, and doubt may block your way. The prayer inside you heals the night and brings a brighter day. You are not empty, you are lifted, you are found in grace again. Every step is a whisper of grace that calls you by your name. Blessings rise like morning light through every door and door frame. Sing the chorus till the quiet heart can say, I'm not the same. Oh, soul, lift your voice to the one who made you whole, the mercy giver, the bride from which all blessings unfold. Though fear may whisper, you'll stumble, and doubt may block your way. The prayer inside you heals the night and brings a brighter day. Go to church, go to praise, let mercy lead you home, where every heart remembers you're never truly alone. The mercy's crown you're waking as Sunday bells recall. That love has woke your spirit and kept you through it all.